is Nestle drumstick. From Costco. Ang laki-laki. 40 pieces. I'm so excited kasi ang laki yun. Pwede i-unboxing pagkain. Yee! How much is this?
Secret!
Magkano
Tita,
ba?
how much daw po?
Ha? 14?
Yeah.
Oh, this is on sale. Wow. Wow. Parentang ganito, oh. Wow.
Just like, this one says 12 pieces, I think.
Yeah, this
Wow.
is 12 pieces. Cookie dip. Sarap
Let them see.
Sige, Christine.
Let them see. Yeah, wow.
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 This is unboxing of the chocolate, of the ice cream.
Of the ice cream.
Naka-box pala.
Yeah, you say hi to my vlog, Mama. She bought this for, oh my gosh, I won an award. So,
Bigyan mo sila.
we will enjoy this. And make sure to subscribe because I have so many unboxing to do and eating to do. From Costco, $15 only on sale. Thank you.
Tamad eh. Bagal eh. Ano sabi niyo ba?
Taba.
Akala mo ano katabi na ako.
Ang sama na gali.
Sino mo naman? Yung aso. Ako dito. Taba.
Oo ma. Iwan.
Magkano nga to, Mama? 16?
Ay, boya. Aga.
14? $14? Ah, 18. Tapos naging 14. Wow, $18 sa Costco. Tapos naging $14. Tapos 40 in laman. 8 ganito. Ay, hindi. 16 na ganito. Tapos 12 nito. Tapos 12 rin nung isa. Let's try.
Gary Python.
Gary Payton.
Yan, masarap.
Ay, lumakin na.
Uncle.